Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install WooCommerce with SiteGround for dropshipping setup, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, access your SiteGround account. Once logged in, navigate to the websites section. Click on the website where you want to install WooCommerce. Select the Site Tools option for your chosen website. In the left-hand menu, click on WordPress. Next, select Install and Manage. Choose Install New WordPress. Fill out the required. Ensure you select the correct domain name from the drop-down menu. Now, set your preferred admin username and password. Once everything is filled out, click on the Install button. Wait for the installation to complete. Once finished, you will see a success message with your WordPress login details. Next, log into your newly installed WordPress site. In the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins in the left-hand menu. Select Add New to search for new plugins. In the search bar, type WooCommerce. When WooCommerce appears, click the Install Now button. After installation, click the Activate button. Follow the on-screen WooCommerce setup wizard. Choose your store's location and currency settings. Next, set up the payment methods you wish to offer. Select the shipping options and zones based on your dropshipping model. Once you have configured these settings, move on to adding products. Navigate to Products in the left-hand menu. Click on Add New to create your first product. Enter a product title and description. Set the product type, price, and any other necessary details. Add product images to enhance its visibility. Adjust inventory settings as needed to match your dropshipping policies. Publish the product once all details are entered. To further streamline dropshipping, consider installing a dedicated dropshipping plugin. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.